Today, we're making one of Mexico's most beloved drinks. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's cinnamony, it's horchata. Let's begin by bringing 4 cups of water to a boil. Then we add 1.5 cups of white rice into a strainer and give it a really good rinse. Quarter cup toasted almonds, quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. Take 1 whole cinnamon stick, break it into pieces, and drop it right in. Add your boiling water. Give it a good stir. Cover your rice and allow it to sit for at least 6 to 8 hours. Now that your rice mixture is ready, pour it into a blender and set the blender to the highest speed possible. The goal is to make the rice mixture break apart as much as possible. That way you can get all the goodness and it strains much easier. Now you'll pour the mixture into a mesh strainer or a cheesecloth, whatever works best for you. We'll just let gravity do its thing. And in the meantime, we can rinse out the blender and get it ready because we'll need it for the next step. You'll need 3 cups of milk. Then pour it into the blender. Now we add 1.5 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract or vanilla extract. Then we'll add a 1/4 cup of sugar, depending on how sweet you want it. You can do less, you can do more. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. One whole can of evaporated milk. One whole can of condensed milk. Blend for 30 seconds. You can now add your rice mixture and your milk into a gallon-sized pitcher. Everything will fit into a gallon-sized pitcher. I'm just using this big one because social media. We'll finish by adding 3 cups of water to balance out the flavor. And we're done.